It's finally time, guys. The moving vlogs are resuming. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Thank you for tuning in and watching another video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family. You're gonna love it here. Everyone else loves it here. Haven't said that in a while. Anyways, welcome back to another vlog. It's finally time, guys. The moving vlogs are resuming. So today is Wednesday, March 30th. It is my last full day here in Charlotte, my last day in my childhood home, my last day in North Carolina. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It's kind of bittersweet. Y'all will not catch me crying on camera. That's not happening. I will not be emotional on camera, but perhaps I will cry later tonight or tomorrow when I leave to get on the road. But yeah, it's finally happening, finally moving. I'd be a liar if I said that I wasn't like anxious or like nervous or like scared, because like I'm very close to my parents and majority of my friends live here. My core friend group lives here in Charlotte, and so like this is like a big move and is going to be a big adjustment for me. Not that I haven't lived on my own. I lived on my own for grad school, even though I'm scared, partially I guess mostly because like I'm very introverted. Majority of my friends are very extroverted. I guess the opposites attract. People just be liking to talk to me even though I don't want to talk to people. So making new friends is going to be like a little hard for me and a bit of an adjustment. But we're going to go into it with like a positive, mindset. I do think that this will be like a really great experience for me. I think I've said this before when I was talking about moving, but I do feel like being uncomfortable like is a very good opportunity like for growth and to see like who you really are as a person. Like, it does sound a little cliche, but I do think that it's true. This will probably be like the biggest thing that I've ever done to like get outside of my comfort zone. But on the flip side, I'm also very excited because like it's a new place. I did go to visit it a few weeks ago, but I did love it there. I'm not gonna hold you. And I got my dream apartment. So I'm very, very excited about that. So yeah, plan for today. It's like 9 something in the morning right now. I only have one meeting today and that's in the afternoon. Well, 2, but the last meeting that I have tonight, I'm not going to be able to go to because I need to finish packing and stuff. But I'm going with my dad to pick up the U-Haul truck in a little while so that the stuff that I brought from my old apartment to my parents' house, that I can put in the U-Haul truck, and my dad will be driving that on this little trip. And then my actual furniture is still in storage, and so I have to call them today. I have to call the moving company today so that I can pay them, and then they can start taking my shit out of storage, and then it should be getting to my apartment like by mid-April. I'm moving into my apartment on Saturday. So I thought I would start this moving vlog. I will take y'all with me for this whole little journey, and then probably at the end of this video is when we're gonna do like an empty apartment tour. I know y'all are excited for that, so am I. And then the vlogs after this one, they'll still be moving vlogs, but they will be like unpacking, organizing, buying furniture, buying decor, all that great stuff. And then it's just gonna be like, we'll resume our normal vlogs, but I'll be like exploring new places and going shopping and meeting new people and yeah, seeing where life takes us. So cheers to fucking 27. And yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, it is Thursday, March 31st. the morning that I'm leaving Charlotte, North Carolina, and leaving my childhood home. I will be arriving at my new apartment on Saturday. I'm making 2 stops on this trip with my dad. Definitely a little bittersweet, feeling a little emotional this morning, but like I said before, y'all will not catch me crying on camera. But yeah, I woke up this morning at like 6. It's almost 7 and I was like, wow, like today is really the day. This is like really happening. We're packing up my car, putting the last minute stuff in the U-Haul. My dad's gonna eat something. I'm not gonna eat right now because I'm really not that hungry. All I really want is coffee. Sorry, it feels like there's a lash in my eye. Yeah, so and then after he's done eating, then we're gonna get on the road and I have to say bye to my mom and bye to my childhood home. So yeah, might insert some b-roll of like the scenery while I'm driving for this whole trip. We'll see. But yeah, I will talk to y'all later. Maintain, I stay the same and maintain. It's safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Brother get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Hey y'all. So finally made it to Ohio. We are in Dayton, Ohio. We got to the hotel like maybe 15-20 minutes ago. Skipper, first of all, before I get to Skipper, me and my dad did so well. I think we did this drive in like 7-ish hours, and we stopped 3 times. Once to get me breakfast and coffee from McDonald's because I didn't eat before I left because I wasn't hungry. Number 2 was to get gas. That was in West Virginia. I was so ready to fucking get out that state. It was giving KKK land, and they don't be liking niggers. Like it was not the vibes. I was like, yeah, we gotta go. And then the 3rd stop was once we got to Ohio, we stopped at the visitor center or the rest area, and I had to pee. And we walked Skipper twice. And he's been such a good little boy. He's been good in the car. He was sleeping. He held his pee. I haven't taken him in the car for like a drive in a while. So he did really, really good. He went on the elevator for the first time when we got to the hotel, and there was someone else in there. He was a good boy. He sat. My dad is walking him right now. I just ordered us some burgers from Red Robin, so I'm gonna go pick it up when he comes back from walking Skipper. But yeah, we made it very safely to Ohio, and then tomorrow morning we'll be on our way to Chicago, and then Saturday morning we'll be in Minneapolis. Surprise, that's where I'm moving if you hadn't figured it out by now. But yeah, so I will talk to you beautiful people later or tomorrow. Hey y'all, it is Friday, April 1st. We are still in Dayton, Ohio. My dad went to get coffee, but before he did that, he went and picked up breakfast from Panera, which you saw in the previous clip. So I'm gonna finish eating my sandwich, and then after we're done eating, that's Skippy crying. Skippy, Grandpa's coming back. He's coming back, sweetheart. After I'm done eating, then we're gonna finish packing up our stuff, and then we will be on the road to Chicago. Oh, sorry, y'all couldn't see me. We'll be on the road to Chicago. We'll get there by this afternoon or this evening, and then tomorrow is moving day in Minneapolis. So yeah, I'll probably record some b-roll on my phone like I did yesterday while I was on the road, and I'll insert it, and then I'll check in with y'all at the hotel in Chicago. This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I Hey guys, I look crusty and dusty, but it's a little after, I think like 12:30, or it might be 1 o'clock by now, but we just got to the hotel in Chicago a little while ago, so this drive was definitely shorter than yesterday's. We stopped before we left to get gas. And then we stopped 2 times after that. One because I had to pee, and then the other time I think it was to fill up the cars, but then I had to pee again. So we're here now. We are gonna go get something to eat. Skipper's doing a great job. He's being a good boy. He's adjusting. Yeah, we're gonna get something to eat. Then after we get something to eat, I'm probably gonna start editing this vlog. I would like to have it up by Sunday, April 3rd, but because tomorrow is move-in day and I'm gonna be doing a lot, it may not go up till like the middle of the week or maybe on Monday. We'll see. But I will talk to you guys later. Good morning, guys. It is Saturday, April 2nd. It is finally move-in day. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. I have been tossing and turning all night. I initially woke up at like 11 something, then 1 something, then 2, and then I stayed up for like an hour because I couldn't go back to sleep, and I went back to sleep for maybe like an hour and a half or whatever, and I got up like around a little after 4:30, and so now it is a little after 5 o'clock, and yeah, also my stomach is in shambles, and I just think it's because like I'm traveling. I'm not necessarily eating, you know, the best shit for my body, and so my stomach is retaliating against me. So that's fun. But yeah, it's moving day, and we have a 6-hour drive to Minneapolis, and then once we're there, I get the keys to my brand new apartment, and then what you all have been waiting for, the empty apartment tour will happen. So yeah, I will check in with you guys later.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, feeling young, but
All right, y'all, I just got to my brand new apartment. So here's the front door. Skippy's sniffing around. The kitchen. This is my kitchen. We have a refrigerator, cabinets, sink, gas stove, microwave, a nice island with some storage. We have our view with my balcony, my floor-to-ceiling windows. And then we go over here. This is my bedroom. Still have floor-to-ceiling windows. And then this is my closet, washer and dryer, shelving space. They can also add more shelving for me if I need it. And then this is our bathroom and the shower. So that's it. Hey y'all, I look a mess. Arrived at the apartment. You already saw the clip before this of the little tour, but we're gonna unpack now.
it's Queen B, nigga, jump on. I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club, case something jump off. Back up for the hive, let the pump off. In the graveyard is where you get dumped off. All we wanna do is party, and buy everybody at the bar Bacardi. Black Barbie dressed in Bulgari. I'm trying to leave in somebody's Ferrari. Spread love, that's what a real mob do. Keep it gangster, look out for the people. I'm the wicked bitch of these. You better keep the peace, or out comes the beast. We the best, still is room for improvement. Our presence is felt like a Black Panther movement. 7/4 to 8, back to back. I'm sitting on chrome 7 times. That's on my beats. With the Bentleys, the Hummers, the Benz. Escalades 23-inch rims. Jumping out the jack off with the Timbs. Keep your bread up and live good. East Coast, West Coast, worldwide. All my players in the hood stay fly. And if you want it, let me hear you say right. It's little Kim and Timberland.
Hey guys, so I inserted some B-roll footage of me like unpacking some of my boxes, and we've made a lot of progress. So We unpacked some stuff in the bathroom, put out some hand soap, took out my toothbrush and stuff. This is not staying like this, it's just in here for now. Skincare is in one drawer. This is makeup that I need to unpack again. It's not staying like that. Other toiletries. And then I think these other drawers are empty. This is bathroom stuff that I need to unpack. There are cleaning products under here though. We laid out the bath mats from Brooklyn, the shower curtain liner from Target. Have my loofah in here. I have some soap in here. I have my Brooklyn robe, shower caps from Target. My headband, forgot where it's from. Additional towels from Brooklyn. Nothing in my closet, clothes-wise, is unpacked. That's why there are still boxes in the room and the closet. We'll tackle that tomorrow. Have my air mattress until my actual bed comes, hopefully next weekend. And then I'm hoping my mattress will come and the rest of my furniture will come next weekend too, or the following week. Kitchen, for the most part, is unpacked. Shower can, trash can, Skipper's food, have my Keurig out, have my knives out, have my air fryer, my dad and Skipper are on another air mattress, have the TV out. This is the TV that's going in my bedroom. My living room TV, which is a little bit bigger, that is in storage, so I have to wait for that to come. I have some stuff down here, not staying like that, Skipper's food. Pots and stuff are gonna stay in here. The rest of them are in storage. I have plates in here, cups in here. So I have water in my fridge and coffee, but I need creamer, so I will not be having crack until I go to the store. I need to go grocery shopping so I can have stuff for the week. But yeah. Ooh. We are officially in our brand new luxury high-rise apartment. Love that for me. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this first moving vlog here, and then I'll probably start another one tomorrow or during the week. But thank you all so much for watching my video. Hold on. Thank you all so much for watching my moving vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the family if you aren't subscribed already. And I will see y'all in the next video.